Hello friends, welcome to Be Learning Club again. So this is the third tutorial of this Python interesting tutorial series. So in this tutorial, I will discuss what is the indentation and Python interpreter. So in the previous video, I already somehow discussed what is the Python library, and again in this video at the end, I will discuss again what is the Python library, because this is very important thing in Python. And in this Python tutorial series, I arranged a way like whatever is need I will teach you at first, then you will apply. So basically in other Python tutorial series, in other resources, you can find they will teach you the variables, then what is the string at first, but I will teach you a unique way. So this is the specialty of this Python tutorial series. So at first go to the indentation. So what is the indentation? So just go to your project file. So yes, what is the project file? And we already made a first Python file in the previous video. So this is the first.py. This is our Python file, and here we write one code how to print hello world. So just print, and inside the bracket, inside the quotation, type whatever you want to print. So I want to print hello world. So okay, so now just I want to print B learning club. So just type print B learning club. You will understand what is the indentation. At first just print B lar Larning club. Okay, so just save it and run it. So yes, it's run. But if I do space here, some space, if I save it, then will it run or not? Guys, here comes indentation. So you can see the indentation error. Indentation means you can do a space like this. So don't do or don't mistake this. Always write indentation follow in the Python. So Python follow a right indentation. So just this is the indentation error. And how can you solve indentation error? This is very easy. If you by mistake do a space, just remove the space, then the indentation error will be removed. Now run it again, you can see hello world and Be Learning Club. Okay, so this is the indentation. So indentation error is very important part of Python. So now again go to the whiteboard. So what is the indentation error? So I think you will understand that indentation, this is very important part of the Python. So friends, now come to the Python interpreter. What is the interpreter system? I already discussed with you. Every line will be executed at first. If there is 1, 2, 3, 4 line of code, then at first line will be executed, then second line will be executed, then third line will be executed. But in C or C++, so there you have to write the all code, then when you are running it will compile, then it will execute. So here if there is any error in line 2, then it will not execute line 3 or 4. Okay, so I will show you. Just go to the uh, first project file, first.py. So here I just keep print print, just type print, and just I want to zero division error. What is zero division error? Whenever you divide by any number with 0, it meaningless. So just 100 divided by 0, so it will give me a zero division error, friend. So but just show you, here you can see first line will be executed because it is an interpreted system. First line will be executed, but the error is in the second line. You can see the second line error has come, division by 0, and the error name is zero division error. Okay, so this is the interpreted system. So every line will be executed until there is an error in any line. So first line there is no error, but second line there is error. So first line already executed, but when it will execute the second line there is an error. Okay, so this is the interpreted system. Understand? As simple as that. So now comes to library. I already had discussed with you in the previous video what is the Python library, and I also discussed again what is the Python library, because this is the main thing. So what is the Python library? Basically, just I have discussed this code with you in the previous video. Again, I will discuss that. So Python library means, what is the library? Library means a lot of books are there, lot of resources are there. That's same here. Lot of resources are there. So there is a library called random. So you have to import the random library. How can you import? So just type import and random. So random is the library. You can use any function, any code of random library. So there are some code or function in the random library already pre-coded. So you can use this library, and in this way you can save your time. So I want to print a random number from the random using the random library. So print, and now just print a random number. Okay, so just save it, and if I run this, only a random number is printed, you can see. But I want a random integer here, so just edit it and just do a comma after the quotation, and uh, just type random, this library name, random dot randint. Don't worry about that, we will discuss with full of details in later videos. So I just show you what is the Python library and how can you use the library, because this is very interesting thing. So random dot randint, 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 and choose the integer from I just want to choose 1 to 30. Choose between 1 to 30, a random integer 1 to 30. Choose a random integer from 1 to 30. Okay, so random, inside the random library there is randint function. So it will, how it's work, randint function will give you a random integer from 1 to 30, both are included. We will discuss random library in the further videos, but I will show you just how Python library works. Now save it and run. So you can see a random number is 20. Again run it. You can see the random number is 8. Again run it. You can see the random number is 5 this time. Okay. So if I change this range 1 to 100 or 1000, so what will happen? Random number is 149. Okay. Again run this, random number is 982. So randint function inside the random library, what it will give? It will give a random integer from 1 to 100. You can choose whatever it is a range. Here I choose just 1 to 1000. Okay. So this is the library. So I will discuss it in the further videos in details. But this is the one of the main thing in Python. There are millions of library are in Python. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in next video. Thank you friends, and share this tutorial series with your friends, with the other people who want to learn Python basic to advanced level. I will cover basic to advanced level in my way. Okay, so thank you friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.